This is a review of a number of videos I have produced on my channel. Just an overview. Very first one we're going to talk about is the rattling shower door. This absolutely fixed that rattling noise as we were driving down the road. Simple pool noodle wedged in the top and the bottom of the shower doors, and it stopped that noise totally. The next thing is the refrigerator locks. A lot of people have problems trying to keep the refrigerator shut while they're traveling. Trust me, these locks are not going to come open. This refrigerator is not going to come open, as you can tell. I mean, they are very secure. We had problems also with our fake leather furniture that came with the RV. It's terrible furniture. And it seems like once, about a year or 2 years after we bought the RV, it's just like when they started peeling, they all started peeling at the same time. And so, anyway, we ordered fabric replacement furniture from Rec Pro, which was a free shipping setup. We also, there's also some storage that we put hinges on a deal and made a storage underneath the dinette. Some of you may have drawers, but we're still trying to figure out what all we're going to put in there, but it's a mess. And of course, these cushions just essentially Velcro in place up on the sides, on the bottom and the back, just Velcro. Another problem is the sticky sewer handles. If you ever had a sewer handle where you couldn't get it open, this will really fix that. When you drain your tanks, just take a small drill a hole, spray some silicone in there or WD-40, and then simply put a screw in that hole. And once you'll spray in there and move that handle back and forth. And then periodically, when you do have a empty tank, just take a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, whatever, take the screw out, squirt a little bit in there and move the handle back and forth, and that will really keep it open. Another problem I had was trying to find a bug screen for our hot water heater. And I just couldn't find one that was fit. There's all kinds out there, but none that would fit this Dometic. So I just took a piece of regular screen wire and just wedged it behind this door. I was always pulling that handle up there to shut the door, which was attached to the screen, and was always afraid I was going to break that handle down there below to the screen to the door. We came across this handle that just you take loose the regular handle on the door, slide this down, put the screws back in, and it gave great leverage. We also had a lot of light coming through our door on the window, that frosted glass window. This is a magnetic shade, and it really turned out to be a savior for us. It's a blackout, and then you can adjust how much light you want to come in simply by just folding it up and folding it down. So that works well. We like white noise when we're sleeping, and so I came across these two small fans at Walmart. They just clip on and then plug in, and they give good air flow, and plus they're just a nice little white noise. Have you ever been driving down the road with your RV, and when you get to your location, all of your hanging clothes are down at the bottom of your closet? If you will alternate these hangers, front and back, it will keep your clothes from falling off the hangers, or the hangers falling off the rack and end up in the bottom of your closet. So just rotate those hangers front back as you're putting your clothes up there, and see if it doesn't solve it. Well, this is sort of an overview of a lot of different things that I've made videos on. If you like this type of stuff, like and subscribe. Any questions, put them in the comments. Everybody have a great day. I will see you on some other videos later.